Okay, welcome back. And guess what? No, this episode's not going to be about chickens. We're going to be making pesto. So we're going to go to the garden, grab some basil, and go over a pesto recipe and see how it turns out. Okay, you can see the pesto's going crazy. We're going to use this pesto. The basil's going crazy. It's flowering. That's why we're going to go ahead and grab it before it changes the flavor and gets kind of bitter. It just started flowering, I think like 2 days ago. So and you can see the bees really like it. But we're going to take it away from them. We have tons of other basil over here that they can go get. This is Thai basil over here. You can see it turns like a beautiful purple color. But let's grab all this basil and make a whole bunch of pesto and freeze it. What I'm doing is I'm actually grabbing like big chunks, these big branches, cutting those off, and then bringing them over here, and then breaking them down. And I don't want those flower tips on there because I don't want that in our pesto. So I'm cutting those off and just throwing them in the garden. And so what we're left with is a beautiful little branch with some leaves on it. We'll take the leaves off and destem it when we go inside. Okay, this is what we turned out with. This is our huge pile of basil. And now we're going to wash it and separate the leaves from the stems. Okay, now to get to the pesto part, we're going to put a couple handfuls of the or not pesto, basil in here. Just a few good handfuls. And this is a 9-cup processor. I have Andy with me helping. And then it's good and full there. Then we're going to add 3 cloves of garlic, some probably 2 tablespoons of salt, and half a cup of pine nuts. Go ahead and add those, Andy, and their salt. And then you want to add half a cup of olive oil. Okay, and then we're going to put the top on and blend it, and mix it all together. And again, this is going to be for the freezer, so I'm not putting any cheese in it. You can put the cheese on it later on. And just mix it up. And you're gonna get to the consistency that you want. And then basically same thing with the salt and olive oil, add as much as you want. And personally I like to get to about right there. And then instead of a regular lid, since I'm freezing it, I just put plastic over the top, saran wrap, and cover it up that way. If you do anything different or got any hints for me, please leave them in the comments and appreciate the views. Thank you.